Welcome everybody to Autosport Designs. My name is Jason. Today we'll be driving this gorgeous 2006 Aston Martin DB9 Volante. It's in a really great color combo. It's gray on black. It's an awesome car for around town, a longer road trip. We're gonna go to the farm road, the twisties, do some flybys, so we'll see you on the road. All right, everyone, so here we are inside of the 2006 DB9. As you can see, it's a really driver-focused interior. I feel like everything is within reach. It's got paddle shifters. It is a really nice place to be. I really like the piano black trim. I think it complements the gray really well. So we're gonna do our obligatory cold start and get out on the road, warm it up a little bit, and go through its paces. So cold start. Key in. And engine start. You can hear that V12 power up, showing just over 42,000 miles. We are going to warm it up and we'll see you in a bit. All right, just turning out of Autosport Designs. Going to get a little heat into this awesome V12. It's ice cold, it's about 30 degrees out. We're almost up to operating temperatures. So whoever buys this car is really going to enjoy it. It's got piano black trim, got black calipers, navigation, park distance control. Everything works flawlessly. Here we are, like I said, it's about 30 degrees out, and I'm getting hot because I've got this heat on, which works very well, and the AC works equally as well. I'd rather not have to use that right now, but it does work well. It's got a great stereo. It does have the upgraded sound, factory wind deflector, which when you're driving with the top down is a really helpful little tool. We're going to do some flybys. I might put the top down for that, being that it's so warm in here now and I have that wind deflector. And now we are one with nature. See you on the flyby. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed those flybys. The sound from that V12 is just awesome. I know that whoever buys this car is going to absolutely fall in love with that noise the same way I have. We do have heated seats, power adjustable lumbar, a heated windscreen. You have a little ice on your windshield or a little condensation. That'll clear it right up. Here we are on our way to the farm road, the FFR road, and we'll stretch its legs a little bit. We are going to activate sport mode, and that will quicken up those shifts and just change the attitude of the car a little bit, make it a little more aggressive, a little sportier. It's not only a great around town vehicle, but also grand tourer. So between the sport mode and paddle shifters, I feel like I'm straight out of James Bond. We're going to use our paddles just to drop it down. It automatically goes to second gear. And just going to run through it a little bit, and then we'll get a little bit of speed going. So right now we're at about 3,500 RPM in third gear. It's getting a little warm in here. It's about to get a lot warmer. Here we go. As you can see, what is the term? There is no replacement for displacement. That gets you up there very quickly. So when you want to take it out, flappy paddle mode, press it in drive. Now you're in drive, get it out of sport, and we're back to being somewhat docile around town cruiser. We all enjoy doing these videos, and if you enjoy it, please give us a thumbs up. You can find us online at autosportdesigns.com, on Instagram at Autosport Designs, and we'll see you on the next one. Ciao.